All right, so I asked ChatGPT to roast my 124 Spider Abarth wide body. It has since been sold, but I've said it before, it's probably one of my favorite builds that I've ever done. This trend's been going on with, ChatGPT roasting cars, so let's give it a go on roasting mine. Let's see ChatGPT roasting my Fiat 124 Spider Abarth wide body.
The Fiat 124 Spider Abarth, looking like it went through an identity crisis. It's trying so hard to be a serious sports car with that wide body kit, but deep down, it's still just a Miata with an Italian accent. Those oversized wheels make it look like it's ready for a track day, but the reality is, it'll probably spend more time parked outside the nearest cafe. And let's not forget that exhaust, quad tips for a car that barely makes over 160 horsepower stock. That's like putting a loudspeaker on a whisper. Also, is it just me? Or does that rear end look like it's wearing one of those cheap knockoff spoilers from eBay? It might add some downforce if you're driving in reverse. Under the hood, it looks like someone went crazy with a red marker, trying to make the engine look intimidating, but it's more like putting racing stripes on a lawnmower. And the color? Oh, nothing screams midlife crisis like choosing a shade of gray so bland it almost blends in with the pavement. All in all, it's a car that's trying to punch above its weight. But let's be real, it's shadowboxing at best. What car do you want me to roast next? Drop a comment or send us photos on Instagram and we might feature your car next. Subscribe for more. See you next time.